Hey everyone, it's Adam. I'm about to go on to my trip to Chicago, Illinois for the Deep Dish Conference 2025. Now, the Deep Dish Conference is a developer conference for people in the Apple ecosystem. And as an indie app developer, this is a fantastic conference to go to. I highly recommend making the trip out to Chicago next year if you can't make it this year. Now, something new for this trip is I'm going to go Jack Reacher style. And for those of you who don't know who Jack Reacher is, he is the character in the Lee Child series of novels with the same name. Jack Reacher is an ex-army major who travels around the country dealing with bad guys and criminals and all sorts of things with his mind and his fists. And what's interesting about him is that he travels the world with just his clothes on his back, a toothbrush, an ATM card, and an expired passport. That's right. I'm going to be going on this trip with no baggage, no luggage, zero bag trip. Now, I am not 6'5", 250 pounds like Jack Reacher is in the novels. In the television series on Amazon, Alan Ritchson, he's 6'2" and over 200 pounds. I'm not that size either. I'm a little closer to the Tom Cruise iteration of Jack Reacher from the two movies in the early 2010. He is around 5'7" or so. I'm about that height myself. But I will be traveling Jack Reacher style with just the clothes on my back and a bit more tech and a few more toiletries. So let's get started and I'll show you what I'm going to be bringing. In fact, I have everything that I need that's in this Costco box. Now, I'm not going to be walking around Chicago with a Costco box. I'm either going to be wearing it or it's going to be in my pockets. But let's go take a look at what we have here. So we'll start off with some technology. So I'm going to be bringing an iPad mini. This is an iPad mini 6th generation with the Apple Pencil. And the reason why I'm bringing an iPad mini is because I'm going to be doing demos of my applications such as Mix Effect or my new app that I just released to control Blackmagic Design Video Hub video routers, Route Effect. You can check it out in some of my more recent videos. Next up, I'm going to be bringing my iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can see it right here. Now, normally I have my iPhone 15 Pro Max in a Peak Design case, but in the interest of saving space, I'm going to be leaving that behind. So iPhone 15 Pro Max. One more thing about the iPad mini is that normally I carry it in a smart folio cover from Apple, but because I'm going to be doing a lot of demos, I don't want to have to pull out the iPad mini and unfurl it, unfold it, and then I can show the applications to them. So this is staying behind as well. For my wallet, I'm going to be carrying an ESR MagSafe wallet, and this attaches to the back of my iPhone, just like this. So, or I could just put it in my back pocket if I don't want this to be too bulky. And this carries a single credit card, some cash, and my driver's license. So it's pretty low profile and it's pretty convenient to use. In terms of other tech, so I have this plastic bag, and right now I am taking the following. So let me open this up. I have a short USB cable. I have a 40-watt charger from Anker. It has a single port here. I have a Anker MagGo 3-in-1 charger. So I'm going to be bringing my AirPods Pro, my Apple Watch Ultra, and my iPhone, obviously. And this will charge all of them all at once. And that's it. Now, I have a few other things in this bag because I'm thinking of not bringing the MagGo and bringing instead an Anker Prime charger with 3 ports. So I'll have 2 USB ports and 1 USB-A port. And then I'd bring an additional USB-C cable. So I would have 2 of them here, one to charge my iPhone and one to charge my iPad mini. And then I would bring a USB-A to MagSafe, not MagSafe, USB-A to Apple Watch charger right here. And the reason why I'm thinking of doing that is because the MagGo is a little on the bulkier side. So putting it into my pockets, I'll see this little bulge that I don't want. But cables are relatively flat and easy to hide. So I'm still waiting for that package to come in via Amazon. It's supposed to arrive sometime later today in just a few hours. So I will do a weight and bulk comparison, and then I will decide what I'm going to be doing. I also have in this plastic bag a couple hair bands because I have long hair and I'm going to either have it down or I'm going to, fold it back up. So that goes into the plastic bag. There is scheduled a couple of days of possible rain in Chicago, and that's why I bring the plastic bag in case I don't want my iPad mini and all the electronics to get wet. So those will go into my pockets. I'm bringing some application stickers. So if you happen to be going to Deep Dish Swift and see me, ask me for some stickers. You got a Mix Effects sticker. Let's see what we got. We got a message filer sticker, and we have many Wipe My Screen stickers. These are all apps that I wrote that you can download from the App Store. Next up, we have a Vapor collapsible water bottle. Now, this is more of a nice to have, but I like to drink some stuff on the airplane or when I'm just traveling to and from the hotel. Now, the first day that I arrive in Chicago, which will be tomorrow, I'm going to be attending a Cubs game. So the Cubs are going to be playing the Philadelphia Phillies at Wrigley Field. So I'm going to be going straight from the airport and probably taking the bus or the train over to Wrigley Field and enjoy the game. There's going to be some other indie developers from Deep Dish that are going to be in attendance. So I'll see them there. Another thing that I'm thinking of leaving behind, not sure, is this belt. So, my clothes fit pretty well. I don't really need the belt, but it completes the look. And I don't know, maybe for vanity's sake, I'll be bringing the belt. So I'll make this a game time decision tomorrow morning on whether or not I'm going to be bringing this. So that's all the tech and gear. Let's go move on to toiletries. So inside my jacket, which I'll be talking about next, I have my toiletries. So let's go find where that is hiding. They're in this little handy nylon case. And what do I have in here? Let's unzip it. I have a little folding hairbrush, or a little kind of retractable hairbrush like this. I have a half-height toothbrush with 5 pieces of dental floss. I have a little travel toothpaste right here. And I have a razor. Now, Jack Reacher, he travels around the world with just the toothbrush. I hope he goes to the dentist regularly because it's very important to floss and to use toothpaste. And I don't really know if he's described as having a beard. In the show, he kind of has a scruffle. So maybe he carries a razor or gets one at the motels that he stays at. All right, let's move on to clothes. So I'm going to be bringing 2 pairs of socks. And here are the socks I'm going to be wearing. So these socks are from Revenue Cat. They are one of the sponsors of the Deep Dish Conference. And you can see the cat, he has a piece of pepperoni pizza here because this was, I got this from the last conference. And then the other pair of socks are also Revenue Cat. And you can see the cute little cat right here. I'm going to be bringing a pair of running shorts because there's going to be some Deep Dish people who are going to be running in the morning. So I'll be wearing that. And the shoes I'm going to be bringing are an older pair of running shoes that are good for walking too. I have 1 pair of ex officio underwear. Now, the reason why I'm only bringing 1 pair is because I'm going to be washing them in the evening. And in the evening, I'll be wearing my running shorts. I only need to bring 1 pair of underwear, but I wash every day, so it's nice and clean. I'm going to have 1 shirt. So this is the Wool and Prince wool t-shirt. And wool is very odor resistant, and it's a great shirt. I've had this for a while, and so I'm going to be bringing this and wearing that. In terms of pants, I have these Bluffworks Ascender chinos in khaki color. So I'm going to be wearing this. These have lots of pockets. It has like a little iPhone pocket in the back here, 2 pockets in the back, 1 with a zipper, and pockets in the front. I tend to not like to put too much stuff in my pant pockets because it just makes too much like a bulge in the front or in the back. But if necessary, I'll put some stuff in here. Now, the most important thing is the jacket. So when I went to NAB earlier this month, I also went Jack Reacher style, and I brought a Scotty Vest pack windbreaker. and it worked fine. But I wanted something a little stylish, so I went to the mall the other day and bought a Uniqlo utility short blouson jacket. And this is what it looks like. So what's good about this is that it has two big pockets in the front. And these big pockets are enough to hold my iPad mini. And then it has an interior pocket right here and has like a little kind of chest pocket right here, and then two little pockets for my hands. So I'm able to pack in everything into the jacket or my pant pockets. So let's take a look at all the things laid out here. So you can see this is just laid out on my bed, and you can see all the little items. I also am bringing the Apple Watch Ultra that you see here. And not pictured here are the stickers that I showed earlier to you right here. And then when you put everything together, it looks like this. In fact, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to be wearing my outfit that you'll see in just a moment. All right, here I am, fully loaded Jack Reacher style for the conference. I put everything on that I'm going to bring or wear, minus the shoes. But you can see I have the woolen print shirt right here. I did decide to bring the belt, and everything is contained either in the pockets here or the exterior pocket here. I don't have anything in this interior pocket here, or even in the side kind of pockets is here. So let's take a look at what we got. First up, we have the water bottle. Now, when this is full with water, I'll probably have to hold it in my hand or put it into one of the pockets, but a man's got to drink. We have the iPad mini right here in this pocket. I'm going to put it back in. Like that. And also in this pocket, if I can find them, it's like Felix the Cat's magic bag, we have my application stickers. Now, hopefully by the end of the conference, I will not have any stickers left with me. But here they are right now. And I also put them in a little rubber band so they stay in place. Put them right there. In the back here, I have my iPhone. And in my back pocket over here, I unzip the back pocket, I have my wallet. In the front chest pocket, I have my toiletry bag. And in this pocket, I have my extra pair of socks. And I have my bag of charging cables. Now, in this case, I'm bringing the MagGo, the 40-watt charger, and a single USB cable. But we'll see if I end up bringing the Anker Prime with the 3 ports and cables instead of the MagGo. I still haven't decided yet. And I have my pants on. I actually have my running shorts and my underwear on at the same time, so I don't have to put them in a pocket. And I have my Revenue Cat socks on. Not bring my shoes, but I'd have those where I'll be wearing those as well. So that's going to be my Jack Reacher style outfit. You see me fully decked out. I'll be looking like this during the entire conference. Now, everything that I've shown to you in this video totals just under 7 pounds. I could save a few ounces by leaving behind something like the belt and the water bottle, but I'm going to take them along just in case. I'm really looking forward to this trip. My last one to NAB's show in Las Vegas was just a 2.5 day trip, but this one will be a 5-day trip. So it'll be a good test to see if the gear that I brought will be able to last the entire conference. Now I know that it's going to work. I've done similar trips in the past like this with just one bag, and I'm very good at minimizing the stuff that I take with me. It's not so much of a challenge as it is of a way of life. So I like to simplify what I take with me on trips and not to bring too much stuff, because I have an experience of overpacking in the past. Maybe that's something that you do too. So I hope after watching this video, you might be inspired to bring less. You don't have to go all full Jack Reacher style and bring nothing but the clothes on your back and the things that are in your pocket. But maybe you can leave a few things behind because they're nice to have and you don't really need them. And anyhow, I will see you in the next video, and maybe I'll do a recap of what worked and what didn't work on my Jack Reacher style trip to Deep Dish Swift in Chicago, Illinois. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.